In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build these beautiful animated websites using Claude Design and Higgsfield. And here's another example where we have the video actually following the cursor around, so it makes it super interactive. And then here's the website that I'm going to be showing you how to build and deploy live today in under 5 minutes. Now, you'd normally put some more work into a website like this, but I just want to show you how powerful these AI tools truly are and how quickly you can get a live website up. So if you see a website that you don't like, if you see a website that just looks like crap, you can reach out to a company and you can quickly create something like this for them. You could go find their website. It's probably looking like it was made in 2000. So let's say it's a steakhouse. You could have a nice video of a steak on the homepage. Maybe it's a ski resort. You could just pass one of the images from their website into Higgsfield and create an animation out of it. And you could charge a couple $100 a month just to keep this website up for them, and changing it, updating it, doing all of that with Netlify is super simple. Some people are even charging $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 for websites like this. So this you can think of as your outreach method. You're going to quickly create websites like this, and then you can send them off to a potential prospect. And to pull this off, we're going to create some source images like this one here in Higgsfield. And then we're also going to transfer those over to videos in Higgsfield. So to start out, you can go over to higgsfield.ai, and then you can click on the image tab in the upper left-hand corner. And then in Nano Banana, I've just given it this prompt: dreamy grass field with negative space in the upper 2/3 of the image. And the negative space is super important. That's going to give it some extra space in the top so that you can actually add the text up there. And then this one here looks pretty sweet with the person actually standing on this grass. So now I can go ahead and download this image. And then I'll head over to the video tab. I'm going to switch the model to Kling 3.0, and then I'll make sure to turn audio off here. And then what I'm going to want to do is just add in a start frame, and I'll just select that image, and I'll just say camera stays stationary, characters cape flows in the wind, and the grass blows gently. And then I'll just make sure that it's on 1080p, and I'll hit generate. I'm actually going to go with this one. And then what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to pass it into Claude Code, and I'm just going to tell Claude Code to turn this into a WebM. I tell it to loop it ping pong style on my website, meaning it's going to go back and forth. And what that ping pong effect will do is it's just going to turn this into a looping video that looks like a seamless loop. So it's not looking like it's jumping around or anything like that. Next, I'll just head over to claude.ai/design, and I'm just going to select other here. And then I'm just going to type in the name of my project. So for this project, I'll just call it Grassy Hero. And then for the design system, I'm going to select none and hit create. Now I just asked Claude Code to give me a prompt for that WebM image. I just said add some subtle text at the top, you could be the hero, and some nice glass morphism styles. Just craft the whole prompt and tell it how to use the WebM video that you just ran. Then I just told it to fade to white and show 3 cards: generate your image, turn it into video, prompt to website. And then I just say, give me the full prompt for this demo site. So I copy this prompt, and then I just paste it in Claude Design. And then I drag that WebM file into Claude Design as well. And then I just hit send. And now we just wait a moment while it builds out our landing page. And then as you can see, after it's done, it gives us this beautiful video here. It's actually still working on it, but it looks like we're already seeing the website coming in, and it gives us the cards that we asked for down here. But I think that this just looks amazing. Now, once it's done here, if you want to deploy it, all you have to do is go up to the share button, and then you can hit download project as zip, and then head over to netlify.com. And on Netlify, you can get a free account. You can upload your website here. So this is the easiest hosting site that I recommend, and it integrates directly with Claude so that you can just deploy this site instantly. And now we'll head back over to Claude Code, where I was having that conversation before, where it gave me that original prompt. And honestly, you could probably do this whole process in Claude Code. I just like the extra design polish that Claude Design puts on the designs, so that's why I started there. So now if I go down to the lower left-hand corner and I click on settings, and then I go to connectors, I can connect my Netlify account here. If you haven't connected your Netlify account yet, you can just go to browse connectors, search for Netlify, and then just get connected to your Netlify account to get started. Now I'll just jump back into my Claude Code conversation, and I'll click the little plus button down here, go to connectors, and then I'll turn on Netlify, and then I'll just drag in the zip file, and I could work with it. I could have Claude iterate on this. I could have it put it on GitHub for me so that we have versions, and I could make this thing amazing. But I'm just going to show you how quickly you can deploy once you have your Netlify connector in here. So you can just tell it, hey, I want you to deploy this on Netlify using the Netlify connector. Just deploy it on an empty project, or create a new project to deploy it on, and then give me the link when it's done. And I can hit enter. And this isn't the normal process that I would go through when I'm deploying a production grade website. I just want to show you how quick this is because it's insane how fast you can deploy a website now. If you want to learn the full development workflow and how you can actually deploy SaaS applications and production websites that are high quality, high tier infrastructure, you can check out my Claude Code Mastery course. I'm going to have a link to AI Foundations below. When you join, you get access to that. Now it's asking me to allow this, so I'm just going to say allow, and then I'll allow this one as well. And it says project created, now deploying the files. All right, and just like that, it finished up deploying and it gave me this link here. So let's check it out and make sure that it deployed properly. And boom, just like that, we have the website deployed. It's on a real domain and just looks beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll enjoy this one as well, where I show you how to use HeyGen and Claude to create completely automated videos. So check this one out next.